Hello everyone, welcome back, and you are watching Technical World. If you try to send an email but we are unable to send and mail goes to Gmail outbox and says quit. We are facing this issue in Android and iOS platform. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Gmail not sending email issue. So without wasting any time, let's get started. The first thing that we have to do, we have to go to settings, then tap general and tap iPhone storage and make sure that iPhone is not running out of space. The second thing that we have to check the internet connection. We have to make sure that we are connected to internet and we have a strong and stable internet connection. Better turn off the Wi-Fi and also turn off your Wi-Fi router and plug back and reconnect to the Wi-Fi, then check. Hopefully you will get rid of this issue. If the problem still exists, then we have to go back to settings, general, and tap transfer or reset iPhone, then tap reset and tap reset network settings. Here we have to put iPhone passcode and tap again reset network settings to confirm. To do, we have to go back to settings, then tap mail and tap accounts. Here we have to tap on Gmail and make sure that mail is enabled. Then we have to tap on account and tap SMTP, and we have to tap again Gmail SMTP server and make sure that the server is enabled. That's it. With these simple and easy steps, you will get rid of this issue. Hopefully friends, you found this video helpful, so please don't forget to subscribe, like and share with your friends and family. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.